Leaks and faulty fixtures can disrupt daily routines and cause costly damage if ignored. Impeccable Plumbing Solutions, LLC handles pipe leaks, fixture repairs, and professional plumbing installations with dependable workmanship. Whether replacing damaged lines, upgrading sinks and faucets, or installing new plumbing components, every job is completed with precision. Proper sealing and secure connections ensure long-lasting performance and water efficiency. Protect your home from hidden water issues. Contact Impeccable Plumbing Solutions, LLC today for reliable plumbing solutions.